Hi everyone, I'm Vinay and I'm a product manager here at Automox, and I'm super excited to be sharing a new feature that we just released called flexible device targeting. So for any of you who have found yourselves moving devices between groups and spending time making sure that your devices are in the right groups, this is the exact feature for you. So what this feature does is it allows you to target a subset of devices regardless of what group it is by building a filter. So we're going to dive a little bit into an example of how you would use this. But on the right, I have a list of all the filters that we support today. But as I'm diving through this demo, if you have any request or a filter that you want to see, feel free to comment on what filters you want to see, or you can post on the Automox community as well. We're always looking for that feedback. All right, so let's dive into a demo. So the demo that I'm going to walk through is let's say I have some new team members that just joined the accounting department, and I need to deploy Microsoft Excel. Very common application that the accounting team needs. So I have these 4 computers, and as you can see in the groups column, they're in 3 different groups. But they do have this one tag called accounting. So if I want to deploy Microsoft Excel to these 4 computers, I'm going to create a new policy. I'm associating all the groups that I have because I know that with this new device targeting feature, I can specifically get those devices just by building out this filter. So here I'm building out the filter. I'm going to get all the devices that have the accounting tag. And let's say you have a little bit more complex filter than what I have here, and you want to double check what devices this policy will run on. We have this button in the bottom right, and when you hit that, a pop-up comes up, and this just shows you all the devices that this filter picks up, and thus this policy will run on. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Those are the 4 devices that I want to deploy Microsoft Excel on. So we're good here. I'm going to create this policy, and then when I go to the policies page and I find that policy that I just created, you can see there's some changes to this page. One, we have this new column called Has Device Targeting, and that just lets you see which of your policies has these filters on it. And then in the devices column, if I wanted to see what policies this or what devices this policy will run on, I can hit that View Devices link right there, and it'll take me to the devices page and filter down all of the devices that the policy will run on. So just a good way to see, let's say next week, 3 more people joined the accounting team. I added the tags to their computers, and I just want to make sure that this policy to deploy Microsoft Excel will get to those computers. That's a good way to double check. So that's really the flexible device targeting feature. Hopefully this makes your job, your day-to-day a little easier, and you'll spend less time moving devices between groups and more time getting stuff done, which is, there's never enough hours in the day, so really hoping that this helps make things a little more efficient and flexible.